Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about virtual data room for backup and recovery. Today I am going to be talking about virtual data rooms VDRs for data backup and recovery. So let's start. VDRs can be a valuable tools for data backup and recovery because they offer a number of advantages over traditional backup methods such as security. VDRs use encryption and other security protocols to protect data from unauthorized access. This is especially important for business that need to protect sensitive data such as customer information and financial information. Accessibility. VDRs can be accessed from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This makes it easy to recover data in the event of a disaster or other event that disrupt access to your primary data center. Compliance. VDRs can help businesses to comply with a variety of regulation such as data protection regulation and industry regulation. Benefits of using a VDR for data backup and recovery. Reduce cost. VDRs can help businesses to reduce the cost associated with data backup and recovery. For example, VDRs can help businesses to reduce the need to purchase and maintain expensive backup infrastructure. Improve efficiency. VDRs can help businesses to improve the efficiency of their data backup and recovery process. For example, VDRs can automate the backup process and make it easier to recover data when needed. Peace of mind. VDRs can help businesses to achieve peace of mind knowing that their data is protected and can be recovered in the event of a disaster or other event. How to use a VDR for data backup and recovery. Choose a reputable VDR provider. When choosing a VDR provider, it is important to select one that has a strong track record of security and compliance. Create a data room for your data backup and recovery needs. This will help you to keep your data organized and easy to find. Upload all of your data to the data room. This includes critical business data such as customer information, financial information, and intellectual property. Set up a regular backup schedule. VDRs can automate the backup process, so it is important to set up a regular backup schedule to ensure that your data is always protected. Test your data backup and recovery procedures regularly. It is important to test your data backup and recovery procedures regularly to ensure that they are working as expected. Conclusion. VDRs can be a valuable tool for businesses all of sizes to improve their data backup and recovery processes. By providing a secure data accessible place to store, and VDR can help businesses to reduce cost, improve efficiency, and achieve peace of mind knowing that their data is protected. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.